In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Web on Google Chrome. If you've ever wished Instagram felt more like a desktop app and less like just another browser tab, this quick setup will give you exactly that. Clean, focused, and always just one click away. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to Instagram.com. You don't need to be logged in yet. We're just getting the shortcut set up first. Once the page loads, look at the address bar. If you see an install option there, go ahead and click it. That's the fastest way to create the desktop shortcut. If you don't see the install button, no problem. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Scroll to Save and Share, and then select Install Pages app. Both methods do the same thing. They turn Instagram into a standalone window that looks and feels like a regular desktop app. A small setup window will pop up. In the name field, type Instagram so it's easy to recognize. Make sure the box labeled Open as Window is checked. This is important. It tells Chrome to open Instagram in its own clean window instead of stacking it with your other browser tabs. When you're ready, click Install. Chrome will create the app-like version for you, and you should now see an Instagram icon on your desktop. Double-clicking this icon will open Instagram in that focused window every time, without the usual browser clutter. For even quicker access, right-click the Instagram icon on your desktop and choose Pin to Taskbar. Now it's anchored to your taskbar, so you can launch Instagram with a single click whenever you like. From here, open the app window and sign into your account if you haven't already. Everything you expect is there: your feed, messages, notifications, and more, all in a tidy window you can resize or snap next to other apps. It's great for productivity because it keeps Instagram separate from your browsing tabs, and you won't lose it behind a sea of open pages. If the install option wasn't visible at first, remember that using the three-dot menu, then Save and Share, then Install Pages app will always get you there. And keeping Open as Window checked is what gives you that true app-like feel. That's it. Your favorite feed is now just a click away. You're all set. Done.